Zombie apocalypse.
This is Adnan Global Access Forex. You can see this is exactly the running trade currently going on. Congratulations to all Forex traders. Magic Bomb strategy and Magic Bomb is here to change your life for better. I just took 2 trades from the bot today. The bot just took 2 trades. One he took stop loss, just 20 pips, $20, sir. And it was even 496. It's come back to 454 now. And so you look at the entry here. Just look at the entry. Let me just show you something here. Just look at the entry here. 0.91570. Okay. 0.51974. This is exact point. Let me show you the exact point. Let me show you the exact point where the market. This is it. This exactly where the confirmation got in. And look at the market here. Look at it. A strong confirmation from the magic bomb strategy. This is the magic bomb strategy. If you have never heard of magic bomb strategy, please contact me or contact my support manager for it. We have the bot and we have the strategy itself. So this is magic bomb strategy. I know a lot of forex traders are struggling with market, trying to understand how they can be able to come up with a better trading system, a trading plan that can help them and help their trading career, but all it fails. But let me assure you, with this magic bomb strategy, with this structure you have, you're not gonna align a very beautiful success trading career. Trust me, because number one, the strategy itself and the bot are also built based on a strong trading system, a quarterly strong trading system. What I mean by quarterly strong trading system is a trading system that trades between 6 hours. I made mention of that in my last live meeting with 2 of my clients, one from US and one from South Africa. So we were trading our boom and crash. So this is the same strategy we use to rock our boom and crash, our indices, even gold. You can be able to trade gold with it. This is USD So the reason why I majorly like this with USD is that the average ranging trend for the USD is almost the average ranging trend of this magic bot. What I mean by that, the way a manner USD moves is almost similar to the way the bot moves. USD always either trend or range. That's the two basic market movement for this USD. You see, and a lot of people don't know why. Because when we come back to the fundamentals now, we are talking about fundamental analysis now. United States and Swiss France, Switzerland. That's Switzerland, right? So the average range of their currency value in the market is almost the same. It always aligns sometimes with the economy as well. So you have to think of that as well. You have to have positive and negative influence with respect to all countries in order to balance up the fundamental influence. This one may be better than this one here, and this one may be better than this one here. So you have to always act it as a balance so that I can get the full explanation of the trend. So what about Euro USD, GBP USD? It's always good in trending market, either strong or trending market. We don't want it in a weak market. But with respect to USD even in a weak market, this magic bot can be able to align a good entry for you and make you achieve your success. This is AGA Forex. We are here to help all struggling traders to make money. So you see, this is the exact confirmation gotten from the bot, and the confirmation is also us here. So look at the stochastic from the window indicator. Just look at it. Everything aligned. There is always an aligned confirmation from the bot signals. Look at it here. You see, look at it. Look at the confirmation here. Just look at the confirmation. Just look at the confirmation. Look at it here. You see? There was a build up here for market to break out, but there was no opportunity for the market to break out. Fine. What happens next? There's a trend line that always sink the market down, and this was the confirmation we get and execute this trade here. This is magic bomb strategy from AGA Forex. Look at it. Market is still going down. Still going down. This is our entry here. So this is 1 minute chart. It's been with 5 minute chart. You see, this is where we got our entry here. This is where we got our entry here. And what happened? The market is still trending here. So for you to know that this market, as I said, see the current market price, but market has already hit this place. See where this market is up to this level. So this market was almost $700 to $800 profit before it retraced back downward to this current position. And this is magic bomb strategy. One entry, one signal give you $700 with just an account of 3,000 equity. I'm going to close this trade now, where I may hold. Let me see. I'm going to close it here live and direct. Let me check the price action. Let me check the current market price action. You see, there was a bullish momentum here. So let me just exit my trade. At least I have gotten my target. This is more than the average daily target of this account. The average daily target of this account is just $300, which is 10% of this account. But look at it here, 400 and something. Look at it. So if you can have 470, let me just close it with 470. You see, I've closed my profit now. This is my average position from my magic bomb strategy with USD, CHF and Euro USD. You can see the market got it perfect and right. So just 2 signals from the bot for the last 24 hours. It have yielded me this positive result. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Please, for anything, contact me or contact my support manager. Our mentorship is still going on. Registration is still going on. For those that enjoy our last published video, we could always be posting 1 or 2 of our premium video content outside, because that video was a full premium content, because it was for a premium client only. So this is Adnan Global Access, and we have a giveaway today. I have a giveaway. Let me be fast with the giveaway. I have 1 VIP mentorship giveaway ticket tonight. Whoever and ever go and mention this statement here, mentorship is a wow. Mentorship is a wow. AGA Forex mentorship is a wow. That's the guaranteed ticket for the VIP mentorship. Please, the first person, please, I will look at the timing. I will have to look at the timing ourselves. I will ask one of my support manager, or even one of my trainees, one of the mentorship students, to be able to understand how the giveaway will be, so that it should pick a trade for it should pick the person himself, so that we can announce it on the community. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Nice to talk to you. See you in my next video. Bye.